Ay, wow. What's that? Chocolate?
Yeah.
Ay, wow. Naapod. Ay, nice.
She knows it.
Kuya, watch. Okay, thank you. Lots of flour there for selling.
Yeah. She knows straight away. I got my local vendor now.
Nice. Flowers ito. Oh, dun sa siya with chocolate o local chocolate. Nice. Ay, naapod si Miming. Oh, Miming, happy Valentine's. Nice. Yes, so I have the flowers from Torcha for Valentine's Day. And then, he bought this chocolate. I think this is a local chocolate. So he said, I'm gonna try it because if that's good, he gonna get me
Yeah, so.
the real chocolate. So this is local. I can read it from the packet. Meow! Mimi is there. Look, my new nails. Hi! Uy, what are you doing here? Oh my god, you can't open. Yes. Hoy, Miming! Let's open it. Oh, nice. Looks nice. Smells like rum or perfume. I don't know.
See by drinking chocolate chip.
Yeah. There's a caramel inside.
Good?
No. No good. Gonna be TED soon, and since we have those envelope, this is free actually when we bought the cake. So they gave this one the company, the bakery where we bought the cake, and we put this is the So I already asked someone how much is the normally how much you put inside for the kids, because you give this to the kids, and they said 20 is enough. So it's the lucky red envelope, ampaw. So because it's already I think Monday is the what's that? Monday is the New Year's Eve, and then Tet Eve, and then Tuesday is the Tet New Year. So today is Valentine's Day. Just preparing. Let's see. Coffee made by Thor. Oh, so good. Ayan, ready ng ato ang lucky ampaw. Oo, yeah. And then yeah, maybe I will just give those chocolate because it's a local, so maybe they like it. Local chocolate. So yes.